Did you know there's a superfood so powerful it's often called the tree of life? Imagine one plant providing more nutrients than kale, more antioxidants than blueberries, and even more protein than eggs. It's not spinach, not quinoa. This is moringa. But how does moringa compare to other superfoods? Stay tuned because we'll break down the battle of superfoods and answer your burning FAQs at the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. The superfood contender, moringa. Moringa, also known as drumstick tree or miracle tree, is a powerhouse, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and iron. This little leaf is like a multivitamin in plant form. Studies show moringa has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk. It's hailed for its antioxidant properties, helping fight off free radicals and keep your body in top shape. Moringa versus kale. Kale has been a favorite in smoothies and salads, but did you know moringa beats kale on many levels? Kale boasts high amounts of vitamin K and fiber, but moringa brings double the protein and a broader range of nutrients. And while kale can be a little bitter, moringa powder blends smoothly into teas, lattes, or even soups. Moringa leaves are so nutrient-dense, they're used in malnourishment programs worldwide. Moringa versus quinoa. Quinoa is hailed for its complete protein profile, but moringa doesn't fall behind. Moringa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great plant-based protein source, just like quinoa. Here's the twist. Moringa is more versatile. You can drink it, cook it, or even use its oil for skincare. Moringa versus blueberries. Blueberries are loved for their antioxidants, but moringa? It's an antioxidant champion. Moringa has more flavonoids and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress. While blueberries are seasonal, moringa is available year-round in powder or capsule form. Moringa versus chia seeds. Chia seeds are famous for their omega-3s and fiber, but moringa offers similar benefits and more. Along with omega-3 fatty acids, moringa contains high levels of anti-inflammatory compounds, a win for those with joint or gut issues. The bonus? Moringa is easier to digest and doesn't require soaking like chia seeds. How to use moringa daily. Blend moringa powder into your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start. Add it to soups, curries, or even salad dressings for an easy health upgrade. Feeling adventurous? Brew moringa tea for a calming, detoxifying drink. Quick recipe, moringa latte. 1 teaspoon, moringa powder, 1 cup plant-based milk, sweetener of choice, heat and froth. Delicious and nutritious. FAQs about moringa. Is moringa safe for everyone? Yes, but pregnant women should consult their doctor before use due to its high nutrient density. Can moringa help with weight loss? Absolutely. Its high fiber and protein content keep you full longer, curbing cravings. Fresh leaves or powder, what's better? Both are great. Powder is more convenient, while fresh leaves can be used in recipes. How much moringa should I take daily? Start with 1 teaspoon of powder or a handful of leaves. Adjust based on your needs. Dear friends, if you want to know more about moringa powder, you can watch Moringa Powder's Dark Secret, The Power of Moringa Tea, 12 Magical Health Benefits in our channel, link in description, and of course in the end screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.